Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Air Mold Test Kit is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your family's health, providing peace of mind and early detection of potential mold issues in your home. This video will guide you through choosing and using the Best Air Mold Test Kit for accurate results and effective mold remediation. Number 5. Mold Armor DIY Mold Test Kit. It provides a safe and easy way to detect mold. You'll get visible results in just 48 hours. This versatile kit works both indoors and outdoors. Test your home's air quality or any outdoor surface. It offers 3 testing methods: indoor air quality, HVAC systems, and surface sampling for visible mold. Everything you need is included: petri dish, swab, and mold growth medium. It's ready to use right out of the box. For a small additional fee, you can mail in your results for professional mold identification. Get peace of mind with this comprehensive and easy-to-use mold testing kit. Protect your home and family from unseen mold. What we like. This kit offers 3 testing methods for comprehensive mold detection, both indoors and outdoors. It provides results quickly. If you need a versatile and efficient solution for various testing needs, this is the one for you. What people say. It was extremely easy to set up and use. The instructions are so easy to follow. It really worked. I followed the instruction in the back and waited 48 hours to see if I can detect mold, and it sure did. This test was very easy to use. Number 4. MN Mold Test Kit. This easy-to-use kit provides 3 surface mold tests, perfect for quickly checking your home for mold. It's a simple and safe way to test for mold yourself. It includes a quick start guide and a full instruction booklet, making it easy to follow along. The kit is designed for safe and simple use. Your samples are sent to a lab for analysis, and a detailed report is included in the price. You'll receive a comprehensive understanding of your results. We provide expert consultation to explain your results and discuss your inspection. This helps you understand what the results mean and how to proceed. This kit saves you money compared to hiring a professional mold inspector. Get 3 surface tests and expert advice all in one convenient kit. It's important to note that this kit is for surface testing only and not for air testing. It's a great tool for identifying mold on surfaces. What we like. It includes lab analysis and expert consultation, saving you money compared to hiring a professional. If you value professional guidance and a detailed report, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This kit is easy to use and comes with detailed, easy-to-follow instructions. The kit comes with 3 test strips that have a sticky surface. Once you remove the protective covering on these strips, the sticky surface becomes exposed. Place the strip on the test area's sticky side, touching the surface of the area you are testing for mold. Press firmly so that it picks up whatever is on your test surface. Once you've used all 3 test strips, they go back into their individual plastic cases to protect them from being cross-contaminated. You then send them to the testing lab, along with your detailed information sheet. My results came back much faster than I had anticipated. The results were quick and clear. Great communication and all questions answered. Number 3. Evviva Science's Mold Test Kit. It has 10 agar petri dishes and cotton swabs for easy and accurate mold sample collection. A detailed guide helps you understand the results. You can test your home's air, HVAC system, and various surfaces. Identify potential mold growth in 10 different areas. For a more detailed analysis, send your samples to a certified lab for an additional fee. This provides mold identification and a detailed report. The kit includes a downloadable guide with images and information about common household molds. Learn about mold types and how to mitigate contamination. See results in just 2 to 4 days. It's a convenient and efficient way to assess your home's mold levels. It helps you test room air, HVAC systems, and surfaces to assess your home's environmental situation. Get 5 samples from various places and analyze the levels of different molds. What we like. With 10 separate tests, it allows for thorough mold assessment in various locations. It comes with a detailed guide. If you want to extensively test your home or office for mold, this is a great option. What people say. The entire testing kit and report is compiled by biologists and is very thorough. This test is easy to use and works effectively. It is a great way to test for yourself before you invest in a professional. Setting up the dishes was fairly easy. Found mold spores in one area of our home, so now we are getting air filters that are supposed to eliminate the spores. They actually took a fair amount of time to develop, 4 days. Number 2. Home Mold Test Kit. This kit provides 5 high-quality test plates for quick mold detection. Everything you need is included for easy and safe testing. You can visually check the plates for mold growth in a few days. Or, send them to our lab for expert analysis and a consultation with a mold specialist for just $36 per plate. It's manufactured in a Class 100 clean room in the USA, ensuring the highest standards for sterility and accuracy. You can trust the results. Our comprehensive video tutorials guide you through every step, from setup to interpreting your results. Mold testing has never been easier. These plates have an extended shelf life, lasting up to 40% longer. And if they expire, we'll replace them free of charge. Our expert customer support team is here to answer any questions and help you create a plan. Your health and satisfaction are our top priorities. What we like. This kit offers high-quality test plates and easy-to-follow video tutorials. You can choose between visual confirmation or lab analysis. If you prefer a user-friendly kit with flexible testing options, this is ideal for you. Number 1. DIY Mold 3 Test Kit. Get accurate mold test results from the convenience of your home. It's fast, easy, and provides same-day results. This kit makes testing simple. Just follow the step-by-step instructions and you'll have your results quickly. No more waiting weeks for results. Get your mold test results the same day you take the sample. Need help interpreting your results? Expert consultation is included to help you understand what your results mean. Your samples are analyzed in an AIHA lab, LLC accredited lab, ensuring accurate and reliable results. You can trust the quality. Take control of your indoor environment with this comprehensive mold testing kit. It's the smart choice for peace of mind. What we like. Get same-day results with included expert consultation and AIHA lab, LLC accredited lab analysis. If you need quick, reliable results and professional guidance, this kit is your best choice. What people say. It's a fast, easy, reliable product. Easy to use, the instructions were very clear and all of the required equipment was included. It was as easy as open the package, gear up, sample, fill out paperwork, send back to the lab for analysis. The report also included a complete list of all possible molds and information about each one. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.